Baron Borchester here. We've got a Mark IV Transit van, and it's got a bit of a floppy handle, you see, and the door won't open. The door's shut. We can't get it open. So I'm just going to show you a wheeze how to get round it. You see, what you need to do is you get your screwdriver, poke it in there like that. You can find a bit of metal in there and just hook it round and move it back like that. There you go. And hopefully, we should. There we go. Be able to open the door. There we go. So, there we are. So what we're going to do is, I've come up with a little wheeze of how to fix this problem, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Don't forget a couple of the old vinegar strokes. Yeah, there we go. Now I'll give it another. We're on the inside of the van, inside of the door, and this is the mechanism inside, you see, and this is the bit that has to be pulled forward. So what I found in Ben's van, I found a one of these sort of fixing things, and it's about what is it, about 3.5, about 90 mil long. What we're going to do, we're going to thread it through the hole in the handle, and see if we can pick up the mechanism with this. So there's the screw, coming through from the handle. That's the handle, and the screw coming through, or the bolt coming through, and that's the plate. If I get in there, it's obviously the plate there that moves backwards and forwards when the handle's moved. Let's get back to the screw that we put through. You see? And then we're going to try the door. And there you have it. Brilliant. So the moral of that story is, if you've got a floppy handle, a quick screw will sort it out. So toodaloo for now. Cheers everybody.